Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a kind of inspirational deep clean with me. And in today's video, we are going to be working on my main bathroom. Now, it may not look gross to you guys, but let me just tell you, this bathroom is honestly disgusting. I don't remember the last time I deep cleaned everything. And we're also going to be doing a little bit of redecorating because this shower curtain is pretty musty dusty. It's pretty gross. I've had it for years. It is all stained up and not as pretty as it once was. And we're also going to be replacing the shower hooks, the shower liner. We're going to be cleaning the tub. Everything is going to get really nice and deep clean today. We also have a sponsor for today's video, so make sure you go ahead and stay tuned for that. But let's go ahead and get started with the number one thing, taking down this old shower curtain, because I feel like having that out of the way first off is just going to be so much better. So I am just taking everything off, including the shower hooks, because we are going to be replacing all of that stuff. Yeah, like, look at those. They needed to go. They needed to go. So I'm just balling all of that up and throwing it right in the trash. So the first thing we are going to really get in there and clean is my trash can. It is stained and gross, and I don't even know what's on the bottom of that, but I don't even want to think about it. So I'm just spraying it down with some Clorox, and then I am filling it up about quarter of the way full with just some hot water, and we're gonna let that sit and just kind of marinate for a little bit, kind of pick up all of the crusty stuff on the bottom of it. And then while that is soaking, I'm going to start taking everything out of my shower, all of my shampoos, washes, all of that good stuff, just to get it out of the way so we can clean those and clean the tub. And of course, it was also time for a new shaver head, so I am just popping a new one on right there. And I am also refilling my little soap bottle. I always keep a bottle of antibacterial soap in my shower. That's how you know I have a ton of piercings, because I clean my piercings in the shower every night. And now let's have a word from our sponsor, which is Dossier. Hey guys, editing me here, just popping in to tell you about today's sponsor, which is of course the lovely and the amazing Dossier perfumes. If you guys have never heard of Dossier before, then you have come to the right sponsored video, because I'm going to tell you all about them right now. Dossier is an online perfume company where they make designer-inspired fragrances at a more than fair price. We're talking from $29 to $39. You put that price tag against the department store price, which is sometimes upwards of $300. Dossier looks real good. And let me just tell you, I have been using and working with Dossier for a really long time, and all of their scents smell exactly like the real thing, honey. So you don't even have to touch the real thing when you have Dossier. How Dossier works is you go on their website and you pick out a fragrance that you have always really wanted to try, or a fragrance that you know really well but you want to try Dossier's version. After you make your order, this is how your order comes in the mail. It is this cute, really simple cardboard box, and when you open up the box inside, you get a little card that tells you all about the fragrance that you got, and inside you get a full 50 milliliter bottle of perfume. The packaging is really simple and minimalistic. It tells you all of the notes that are in this perfume, and it also has the name of the perfume as well. And you get a lot of perfume in here, guys. 50 milliliters is a pretty decent chunk of fragrance. So the scent that I got right here, this is Floral Lang Lang, and this is inspired by Chanel Gabrielle perfume. Oh, it smells so good. It has notes of lily, grapefruit, blackberry, jasmine, lang lang, musk, orange blossom, orris, so all of the good scents right here. The other scent that I decided to pick up as well, all the boxes come in the exact same way, and this one is very unique. I have never tried this one before. This one is powdery orange flower. Here it is right here. This one is inspired by Valentino. That's right, honey, Valentino. This one is inspired by Valentino Voss Viva perfume, and this has notes of mandarin, bergamot, ginger, ginger, orange flower, white flowers, gardenia, vanilla, tonka bean, and musks. Like, are you kidding? Oh, and I love this one so much. I feel like this one would make a really, really good springtime fragrance. Like, I'm not even kidding you. I need some of this on me right now. Yup, okay, this one is definitely a favorite. Highly recommend you guys picking this one up for springtime. So how Dossier works is once you make your order, go ahead and try out the full 50 milliliter bottle. If you decide you like it, that is awesome. Keep continuing to use it. But if you try it out and you're like, I'm not really too sure about this one, that is totally okay. Head on over to their website, to the return section, print out a shipping label, pack everything back up in the box, and send it to get a full refund, no questions asked. And Dossier also has a really cool payment option where you can get a $10 sign-on bonus and 10% off all future orders. The only thing you have to do is select catch at the end at checkout, and you will be automatically ready to do all of those cool bonuses, which is awesome. I truly love what they do. I am the kind of person, I wear perfume morning, noon, and night. I'm not even kidding you. And it's one of my favorite things ever. I have so many awesome scents, and I highly recommend that you guys go and check them out. I will have a link at the top of the description box down below so you guys can easily go and check them out. Thank you so much to Dossier for sponsoring this video. Now, let's get back into the video. Now to get back into cleaning everything, I'm just removing a lot of the empty containers that I had sitting in my shower, and all of the other containers, I am just going to wipe them down really quickly with a Clorox wipe just to make sure that everything going back in my clean tub is going to be nice and clean as well. Any soap residue, anything like that, just giving everything a really nice rub down. I always feel like I have a lot of stuff in my shower. Do you guys keep a lot of things in your shower? I don't know. I feel like this is excessive, but at the same time, everything gets used in my shower, so I don't know. Is this a lot? And then once that is done, I am scrubbing that trash can that has been sitting for maybe about 10 minutes. I'm just using a sponge and really scrubbing the bottom, dumping everything out. That water was some kind of yellow, let me tell you, it was disgusting. And then I'm just rinsing it and wiping it down, and it is good to go. And it looks so much better. And there she is, sparkly and brand spanking new. Now it is time to work on my tub. I am spraying the shower walls, the bottom of the tub, every surface in my tub. I am just spraying with some Clorox, and I am going to be putting on some rubber gloves and a face mask because I do not like the smell of bleach. It actually makes me gag, and you really shouldn't be inhaling bleach anyway, so I'm just hopping on a mask and some gloves, and we are going to scrub by hand my whole entire shower. I'm just using a sponge to do this. I know there are probably other ways to clean a tub, but I just find bleach works the best, and it works quick, and I don't know, I just feel like it's a lot cleaner if I use bleach, even though I don't like it that much. This has just always been my preferred way to do it. So I'm just scrubbing, like I said, the walls, the bottom, my little shower caddy thing that I have standing there. And that little hose that's in my tub, I gave my dogs a bath before I cleaned this bathroom. And that is the hose that I use for my dogs to give them a bath. And I thought it would come in handy to clean the tub, so I just left it attached, and it works really freaking well. So after I scrubbed everything and let it sit, I am spraying down everything with just some hot water. And look at that, she is all nice and sparkly and clean now. Look at that. I can finally take a bath again. I think this whole cleaning process took me about 2 hours to do everything, so I condensed everything down into 19 minutes, but let me tell you, this took a while to do. Next, I'm just going in with a magic eraser just to get some spots on my walls, because I did have some water staining and some hair dye spots that got on my walls, so I'm just scrubbing those off. And then I'm getting up on my shower and cleaning the very top of it, because I did not realize how gross it was up there until I got up there. Oh my goodness, it was disgusting. Like, look at what this Clorox wipes look like. That's gross. So I am making sure that I am scrubbing that really, really well, getting all of that crap off. I feel so gross. I had no idea it was that bad up there. And then I'm just taking a wet, warm washcloth and just kind of wiping down the walls, wiping above my shower, and also wiping all the walls down in my bathroom as well, just to get any hair, dust, pet hair, things like that. And after that, it is time to put everything back in my shower once everything is all dry. And I'm just organizing things, where I want things, where I reach for things the most, and I'm just kind of consolidating. My boyfriend's things are going up on the very top because he can reach up there, and my things are going on the lower half. Oh my gosh, look at that. Everything is all nice and clean and spick and span. Next, I'm just going down on my floor with that wet washcloth and cleaning the baseboards. I am cleaning around my toilet, making sure I'm getting all of the dust and things like that that accumulates in a bathroom. And then it is time to work on my counter, and this is where a lot of the mess happens, you know, like brushing your hair, brushing your teeth, you know, a lot of mess happens on this counter. So I'm just making sure everything is all cleared off first, and then I'm going to be cleaning the mirrors, and then the actual counter, the sink, all of that good stuff. And then we will start moving on to organizing everything that sits on my bathroom counter. And I'm just using Windex for this part. I don't know, there's probably other things I could use, but Windex honestly works just fine for me, and it gets rid of all the staining and makes everything nice and shiny. So I'm just Windexing the counters, the mirrors, the sink, and cleaning my little mirror. And then I'm just removing everything out of this little bathroom caddy thing. You know, moving things, getting rid of things, wiping it down, all that good stuff. And then I'm just quickly wiping down a couple pictures that I have hanging in my bathroom and hanging those back up as well. And I did clean the inside of my toilet, I think a day before I filmed this, so I didn't need to clean it again. So I'm just now cleaning the outside of it. So like the back of it, the inner rims, and you know, all that stuff. So I'm just wiping everything down, making sure if you guys have a man living in your house, if you know, you know, okay? And then I'm just quickly vacuuming up any loose hair or any paper towel that may have fallen on the ground before we get to mopping. And I'm just going to go over everything with my Swiffer Wet Jet. I absolutely love this thing. I do like a real mop as well, but for just this tiny little space, a Swiffer does just fine. So I'm just going to be Swiffering the floors completely, really, really well, all around the toilet and stuff. And I'm going to let that dry, and it's time to redecorate. So the very first thing we're gonna hang up are these new shower hooks. I got everything off of Amazon, and these ones I thought were really cool because they have 2 hooks, one for the shower liner and one for the shower curtain. So I'm going to be hanging these up first, and then we're gonna be hanging up a brand new shower liner because mine was way overdue for a new one. I think you're supposed to change them like every 6 months, and I think mine was over a year old, so it was really gross. And then the new shower curtain, which you guys will see at the end. And the shower hooks, I was really concerned because they weren't fitting around my shower rod very easily, but I eventually got them to stick, so I am just hanging these up. And I did realize I put them on backwards, so I do switch them by the end of this video. I didn't realize it at first. And then I'm just following suit with the brand new shower liner, which smelled so good. Does anyone else like the smell of plastic, or is that just me? And then it is time for the new shower curtain. I have never had anything like this before. I found this on Amazon, and it's kind of like a green, blue, gold marble. It's really unique. I've never had anything like it, so I wanted to try it out, and I actually really like it. I think it looks really nice in the space. Just something different. I usually get like black and white, but I needed some color in my life. New year, new color, right? And I also got some brand new rugs, which are also from Amazon. So I am putting one by my shower and one by my sink. And these did come in a pack of 2, so I saved a lot of time and money by getting a pack of 2. Both of these rugs are also really waterproof and are so soft and cushy. Like, they are literally my new favorite thing. I am obsessed with them. And then I am just putting a few things back, my freshly cleaned trash can and just a fresh can of room spray, lighting a candle, and putting up some brand new towels, some freshly cleaned towels, and that is my bathroom completely cleaned, deep cleaned, organized, and somewhat redecorated. I love how it looks. What do you guys think? I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, just something fun and different for the new year. If you guys did enjoy, please go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, if you are new here, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Make sure you check out Dossier's link down in the description box, and I will see all of you guys very soon in my next video. Again, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and happy cleaning! Bye!